A little rest break at the gas station, you feel me? Yeah.
Well, that's my brother. You can do it right here.
The goddamn canyon right here.
Hour, bro. Real bitch stuff in always. Yeah, we're walking up.
Damn. Freaking tired. I'm freaking tired.
Alright, you good?
Damn.
Bro,
So damn tired. Oh my god.
are we going right or left?
So here I got my stream. Look at that. Same stream going back into its tiny little there. Alright, so I just gotta set up the camera, the webcam, the microphone, and that's it. I gotta get it going. I already made my overlays. I did everything already. Now I just gotta get this working. So Easy Gap. That's the spaceship video, unreleased I think. The new foam runners. These are the models that you get to see when you buy something, and they're coming out with a new show and Easy Gap again. That's Kid Cudi, that's Kanye. And that's his new Twitter handle, Twitter picture.